Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al. I've got a special package and I gotta tell you, they're cutting out some water lines underneath my place. So I'm trying to work in between the saw. Oh, there it goes. Oh dear God. I'm sure it's picking that up. Oh. Yeah, we've had a major problem with the water lines, so they're having to cut some out and do some major overhauling underneath the place. So, oh, I apologize for the noise. By the way, I forgot, this is from Bobby Keyz. Bobby, thank you so much, brother. I highly appreciate it, man. Let me explain what's going on here. Oh, I guess there's more goodies. Okay, I thought he was just sending one thing. Let me tell you what's going on real quick. I got a hold of him about, it's really lock sport. I mean, obviously it's the art of lock picking, but it's also the art of making locks. And one thing about that I really have a passion about is showing off the pins that people, the whole lock that people make, the challenge lock itself. Showing it off and really trying to get the pins in the best detail I can. I've went as far as gotten a different camera. I got a special photography lamp, and I found out that the camera can't differentiate between the color of this tray and the color of the pins. They kind of blend in on the camera, and I was talking to Bobby Keyz about it, and bada boom bada bing, he sent me some different colored ones. Looks like blue. Okay, I thought he was just sending one. Golly, Bobby. Look at this. And there's a whole bunch of them in here. Golly, bud. Okay. Okay, and that's what I was saying. Oh man, excuse me. Golly, we've got all kinds of interruptions going on today. Yeah, see, this is, okay, is this, yeah. So, hopefully what I'm hoping is the camera will really dial in on the pins and not get blurred out by the color of the pinning tray. So, hopefully that's going to work. This should work great because the brassy color of most of the pins, they shouldn't blend in with this. Like a lot of them do, as you can see, the color of a lot of these pins are kind of brassy, and the camera just can't see them that good on there. And I love showing off the pins, so golly, but look at all this stuff, man. It's freaking epic, dude. Thank you so much, brother. Golly, you got the dragon on there. Okay, I thought he was sending one of these and that was it. Look at this. That's epic, dude. Thank you so much, man. That's epic. Look at that. That's freaking cool, dude. Oh my God, and there's more stuff in here. And I know he's fantastic with, and if I remember right, he's the one that just got another 3D printer. I hope I'm remembering that right. He's obviously very talented at making, God, I apologize about the noise. He's very talented on the 3D, obviously. I mean, look at that. Okay, that's explains itself, I think. So what's in here? More goodies. Oh my God. Looks like plug followers. There's a whole set. There's a set right there. Looks like it. Yep. Man, thank you, Bobby. Different kinds like this right here. Looks like, oh, dude, I don't have anything like this. I know what this is. This is for those Euro cylinders, because I suck at getting those apart, and I would have to figure out how to use it. I know this goes in there, and I would have to watch some videos on how to use it, but that's badass. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. And bada boom, bada bing. I think he was the one that said, hey brother, I need to get you a kick cylinder, because he's always seeing me use, you know, which that works, but it doesn't work on all of them. You've got some with the with that bottom nub on it. They don't fit in these. It'll fit in there, and there's a larger one, and they're split so that you can actually, when you tighten it down, it just squeezes just enough to pinch it. That's so freaking cool, man. I had no idea all this stuff was coming. I thought it was just going to be that right there. So all this is frosting on the cake. Okay, guys, got to get off of here because I know they're going to be cutting some more lines underneath the house. Bobby Keyz, thank you so much, brother. I highly appreciate it. That's badass. Like I said, it's absolutely epic. All right, Big Al signing off. Thank you.